It's January 26, 2026, and the internet you knew just 12 months ago is officially dead. While you were scrolling, the very foundation of the digital world was ripped out and replaced. They don't want you to know how deep this goes, but we've spent the last 48 hours unrolling the Codex agent loop. This isn't just an update, it's a silent takeover of how software actually thinks. Everything is changing. We are moving past simple chat boxes into a world of autonomous agentic swarms that operate using the Responses API to orchestrate tools without human permission. The secret sauce. The Codex CLI. It's a technical deep dive that reveals how models are now self-correcting in a closed loop, refining their own performance until the task is perfect. But there's a dark side to this efficiency. We're seeing a massive phenomenon called oversearching. Search-augmented LLMs are burning through compute, invoking tools even when they don't need to. This leads to what insiders are calling the search trap. It's slowing down the very systems meant to save us time, yet the models are becoming addicted to external retrieval. And it's not just text anymore. DeepMM Search, R1 has officially empowered multimodal LLMs to browse the web like humans do, seeing images, watching videos, and extracting knowledge in real time. If you're still worried about SEO, you're already losing. In 2026, it's all about AIO, AI optimization. If ChatGPT doesn't recommend your product in a voice conversation, you simply don't exist. OpenAI just scaled PostgreSQL to power 800 million users. Think about that. 800 million people feeding into a single, unified intelligence architecture every second of every day. And the output? It's becoming indistinguishable from reality. Higgs Field is now using GPT-5 and Sora 2 to turn a single sentence into a cinematic social video that looks like a Hollywood production. But inside the world's biggest companies, there is a growing panic. CIOs are struggling with agent sprawl. Thousands of autonomous agents are populating corporate networks with zero governance. These agents are making multi-cloud decisions and moving budgets before a human even finishes their morning coffee. It's a governance blind spot that could crash entire infrastructures. Yet, in parts of Africa, the Gates Foundation is proving this isn't just a toy for the elite. They are testing AI in primary healthcare to bridge the gap in chronic staff shortages. This isn't just a breakthrough, it's a survival mechanism. We are seeing GPT 5.2 being used by Practica to create adaptive AI tutors that achieve real-world language fluency for millions. But here is the data quality illusion they aren't talking about. We've discovered that the classifiers used to filter LLM training data might be creating a feedback loop of mediocrity. While we fight over data, the math is changing. PAR-RNN is finally unlocking parallel training for nonlinear recurrent neural networks, breaking the scaling barriers we thought were permanent. And for the coders watching, Diffocoder is replacing the old way of doing things. We are moving from autoregressive models to masked diffusion for global planning and iterative refinement. Cloudflare warned us, modernizing your apps triples the odds of seeing a return on AI. If your business is still running on 2023 tech, you are literally throwing money into a black hole. Anthropic's latest economic index confirms it. 1 million enterprise interactions show that the most successful users have stopped asking AI questions and started giving it missions. This isn't just news, it's a revolution. The shift from tools we use to agents that act is the single most important transition in human history since the Industrial Revolution. The loop is closing. The agents are running. And the question isn't whether you'll use AI, it's whether you'll be fast enough to survive the world it's building. See you tomorrow.